How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Hope everybody's doing good, staying home. I've got some more cars for us. This is going to be some recolors between collector numbers 1 and 100. So, let's get started. Here's a recolor for number 1. This is the 2 Jet Z. It was originally in silver. Now they've recolored it in blue. So this is based on the Hot Wheels Legends Tour winner from last year, where he completely built this car from scratch and used the engine out of like a 300Z or something. Okay. Number 9. 9 is the Batmobile. We saw this in chrome and now it's in gold. That's a pretty interesting Batmobile in gold. Number 10 is the Honda Monkey Z50, this time with a white gas tank. Little Honda Monkey. Next, number 13 is the Octane from the game Rocket League. This time in green. Last time was red. Number 17 is the Carbonator, this time in blue. And you probably know, if you know anything about this casting, it looks like a soda bottle. So you can use this end to open up the cap on a soda bottle, or you can use this end to pop the top on a soda can. Next one is number 18. This one's the Chill Mill, this time in green. So sparkly metallic green. Looks good. Number 19 is the 2005 Ford Mustang. In a dark green. Front spoiler moves up and down. So you can put it up for track or put it down for display. Number 20 is the 18 Copa Camaro SS. In black. Skinny tires up front, big meats in the back. Number 22 is the wheelie chair from Aaron Fotheringham. If you watch him on YouTube, he does all kinds of stunts in his wheelchair. And you can put a minifig on it. Next is a popular casting. This new version is in red, number 23, the Subaru Impreza 22B. Looks good in red. Gold rims. Front and rear detail. Next we've got number 25, the Indy 500 Oval, this time in pink. Those gray wheels. Next is one of the track stars. This is the HW Warp Speeder, number 26. Single seat, metal base, everything else is plastic. Number 41. It's a high-tech missile. Part of the X-Racer series. And it's in a transparent orange. Metal base. Number 43, 95 Mazda RX-7, this time in blue. With the Mazda Speed logo on there. Number 49. Is the Grupo X24, like 24 Hours of Le Mans racer. And it has the same front spoiler. Number 58. Is the 64 Chevy Impala Tune Series, this time in red. With a big old blown engine coming out of the hood and the exhaust pipes coming out of the trunk. Number 65. Is the BMW K1300R with the gunmetal gray gas tank. All this black is metal. Painted details. Pretty good little casting for a motorcycle. Number 70 is the 68 Dodge Dart. It was already trying to come out of the pack. Mopar on the sides. Black stripe. Looks good. Number 87 is the Cloak and Dagger. And this is the best one they've done so far in this. Black and red with the mouth on it. And this one should also come apart too. Ah. There we go. And number 100 is the Nerve Hammer in blue. Plastic body, metal base, great for the track. Here's number 1 in blue. Number 9. And number 10. Number 13. Number 17. Number 18. Number 19. Number 20. '22. 23. 25. 26. 41. 43. 49. 58. 65. 70. And number 87. And we're going to wrap it up with number 100.